Hello! Welcome back to British English with me, Ali. Sorry, I thought I was going to yawn, which would be really inappropriate timing. Hello, welcome back. Today is another English listening lesson. I'm just going to talk very naturally, very casually, very freely in British English, and perhaps provide you with some new words or phrases or even grammar points. Today was my Japanese lesson. Once every week, every Tuesday, I go off to my Japanese lesson with my Genki textbook and talk very, very slowly to my very patient Japanese teacher. And I have such a great time. I really, really enjoy it. There's something really exciting, I think, about improving at a language that I want to improve in. And yeah, as I said, my teacher is so patient. Today we learned the te form of verbs. So like suarimasu, suatte, just changing the conjugation of the verb. And it's funny because I feel I'm not good at Japanese, but I noticed today, maybe I don't know the grammatical rule, but I know it through hearing. And I will just say that because I think this is a great way to learn a language is just through exposure. So watching a movie in English or listening to something like this, just natural English, you can learn like so much from that. And I have decided I am basically watching Japanese YouTube videos or listening as I walk around, just to expose myself constantly to Japanese. So yeah, that was my fun morning. And then after I finish Japanese, I go off to my favorite coffee shop and I have a fantastic latte. I'm so particular about coffee. I need it to be absolutely perfect, especially when it comes to lattes. I need it just to be perfect. And this coffee shop is out of this world. It's fantastic. Like, it's just my happy place. Whenever I drink that coffee, I'm just transported to a heavenly place. I love their coffee. I sound a bit snobbish, but that's the truth. I just need a perfect latte. Let me know, what are you particular about? Or what do you need to be perfect in order to consume or have? So yes, learning Japanese and drinking delicious coffee, that was a very nice morning indeed. Despite the rain, it seems to have come back, and I thought we were getting into beautiful weather. It was all lovely and warm, and now we've kind of gone back into this cold season. I'm not a fan of the cold at all. I actually really, really love the Japanese summer. Call me crazy, but I love that humidity. I love that warmth. It's like you can't escape from the warmth. And I love it. I feel the cold really badly, which means I get cold and I hate it and I feel uncomfortable, probably at temperatures where most other people feel okay. This is actually a good point. So I noticed actually, I was in my coat, of course, because it was like cold, like I don't know, 15 degrees. And of course, most other Japanese around me, they're wearing their coats and got their layers on. And I noticed like a lot that foreigners don't really feel the same way. I've noticed a lot of t-shirts, even some shorts. I think I even saw someone with some like sandals on the other day, and it makes me feel cold just to look. Why? I heard that it's because foreigners have a naturally higher body temperature, but then, like, I don't know, mine is like 36 point something, 2, 3, 4, I'm not sure, maybe 4, I really don't remember, but yeah, I still really feel the cold. How about you? Do you feel the cold? Are you a cold person? It's my feet. My hands and my feet are really cold. I think I have some circulation issues, which is unfortunate. But I do try to keep my warmth through having daily hot baths. I do love a bath after dinner. Sometimes if I've had a glass of wine, I'll have a nice hot bath and I sleep like a baby. Okay, another question. This is more of a cultural difference. When do you take your shower/bath? I ask this because hygiene or cleanliness has been a topic that I've been thinking and talking about quite a lot recently. And I notice that perhaps the hygiene rhythm or style between Japanese and Westerners varies. So I, like all my life, I would take a shower in the morning. I do know that some people in the UK and the US, they don't shower every day. I'm not one of them. Like, I like to have my daily wash. Thank you very much. But I'd say the majority of people do prioritize their hygiene. At least in the UK, people do like to have like a daily shower. But I don't think that baths are so common. Baths are more of a thing when it's a Sunday afternoon and you want to relax and treat yourself and you'll have a bath. It's more of a treat day thing. Whereas here in Japan, I'm having an evening bath every single night. And something I love about Japanese baths is the fact that you can keep it warm. It's just such a great idea. I feel like in so many ways in Japan, people have really thought ahead, because in the UK, you run this hot bath and then like an hour later, it's kind of cold again, or you have to keep running the tap to keep the hot water coming in, which is massively wasteful. Yeah, what a waste. Mottainai ne. So yeah, I love that function. And the lady teaches me Japanese, like, oyu dake shimasu, or something like that. It's like, I'm filling up the bath, or I'm heating up the water, something like that. So I love that. And it's very, very useful. And I love putting some nice scented aroma or some Epsom salts to relax my muscles if I've been running or dancing, and relaxing in the bath. Do let me know what your hygiene style is. Do you like showers or baths? And secondly, do you like to shower/bathe in the morning or in the night? For me, showers are morning, baths are evening. And I cannot get my head around having a bath in the morning. I'd be so sleepy. But I know some people do that and it's quite a nice thing, but it's not something I've ever done. I'm a shower girl in the morning. Okay, I think that's long enough. Sorry, we completely jumped around there. I forgot what I was saying in the first half, but I hope it was interesting and I hope it was helpful to listen to British English. All right, everyone, thank you so much for watching today, and until next time. Oh, by the way, before we finish, do let me know what time. Oh, it's 5 o'clock. Do let me know what time of day you appreciate seeing these videos. I'm still trying to work out what time to upload my videos, to publish my videos. Usually I do so on either Saturdays or Sundays, but I'm just trying to figure out the best time. So please help me. Do tell me what's a good time to upload. Of course, many people may have different preferences, but I feel that the study time on a weekend, that might be good. I'm not sure. Anyway, thank you very much, and until next time, bye-bye.